Hello, I am Sarah McClure, your luxury travel advisor. Today, we are at Atelier Playa Mujeres, a luxury all-inclusive resort in Cancun, Mexico. Join me today as we tour 4 different Inspira room categories. Step into a world of elegance as you enter this spacious 1,500 square foot Inspira Rooftop Suite. To your right, discover a chic modern bathroom featuring a well-lit double vanity, high-end amenities, and a separate water closet. You can unwind in the lavish shower equipped with both a rainfall shower head and a handheld wand. If you seek privacy, you can simply close the double barn doors, allowing you to create a serene retreat from the rest of the suite. This suite is thoughtfully designed with a plush sofa sleeper and a well-appointed workstation, perfect for both relaxation and productivity. You can pamper yourself with the plush robes and slippers and enjoy the convenience of a daily replenished mini fridge and snack cart. But the true highlight of this suite is the private rooftop terrace. Let's take the indoor staircase to your personal oasis. Here you will find an outdoor plunge pool, a refreshing shower, a half bath, and a pergola bed. The room includes the exclusive Inspira service and a personal butler attending to your every need. This is the elegantly designed Inspira Junior Suite Oceanfront, where every detail echoes the sophistication of the Inspira collection. Your stay includes the exclusive Inspira service and a personal butler to ensure your stay is extraordinary. Here you can step out onto your private terrace with a plunge pool and enjoy the breathtaking ocean views. Step into elegance and luxury with the Inspira Master Suite Oceanfront. As you enter, you're greeted by a sleek rolling bar stocked with top-shelf liquors. Like all Inspira suites, this Master Suite comes with upgraded amenities and the personalized service of a dedicated butler to cater to your every need. The suite opens up to a spacious living and dining area. The space is complemented by a convenient half bath. As we move toward the bathroom, be captivated by the elegant design elements and the ample closet space. The bathroom is truly expansive, bathed in natural light, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. This luxurious bathroom leads directly to the master bedroom, where a plush king bed awaits, offering you stunning views right from the comfort of your bed. The outdoor terrace is your private haven, featuring a refreshing plunge pool, an outdoor shower, and a bali bed. It's the perfect spot to unwind and take in the breathtaking beauty of the Caribbean. Welcome to an exclusive retreat, the Inspira Junior Suite Swim Out, located in Building 2 on the first level. You can unlock your door with a simple tap of your band and step into a world of luxury. For privacy, a Do Not Disturb button is conveniently placed by the entrance. To your left, discover the luxurious bathroom with barn doors that allow you to adjust the privacy level to your preference. You can indulge in the relaxing bathtub surrounded by upgraded amenities. The bathroom also features a well-lit double vanity, a quality hairdryer, and a scale, though I recommend it for weighing your luggage not your vacation indulgences. The shower offers both a rainfall shower head and a handheld wand. The bathroom also has a separate water closet. The suite's closet is generously sized, offering a large safe, deep drawers, extra bedding, and essentials like an iron, ironing board, plush robes, and slippers. A full-length mirror is perfect for getting ready, and a beach bag is provided for your use during your stay, though taking it home will come with a fee. You'll also find a coffee maker, water bottles, and a mini fridge. Please remember to avoid drinking the tap water in the bathroom and the shower. The suite is spacious and versatile, with either a king bed or 2 queen beds, plus a sofa that converts into a sleeper. It's an ideal choice for guests seeking privacy and relaxation, enhanced by upgraded Inspira amenities and a dedicated butler. For those who need to stay connected, the workstation is equipped with multiple outlets and charging stations. A QR code for the room service menu is located near the phone. There is a sensor light under the bed for late-night wanderings. And after a day of travel, you'll appreciate the thoughtful turn-down service, complete with a personalized message if you're celebrating. Your snack cart will be replenished daily, and the small table provides the perfect spot for enjoying treats or room service deliveries. But the true highlight of this suite is found just outside. Step onto your terrace for direct access to a heated, semi-private swim lane, your own personal oasis for a refreshing dip whenever you please. When you're ready to plan your next travel adventure, please reach out. I am here to help you create an unparalleled vacation experience at Atelier Playa Mujeres. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great travel videos.